I'm Reed Collins. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. A hypnotic rhythmic chant of 16 words has replaced LSD and other drugs for some in New York's East Village. On 2nd Avenue and 1st Street is a storefront in which a Hindu Swami has set up shop. There, his American disciples are learning about Krishna consciousness.
Sri Guran Vaishnavansya Sri Rupam Shakujatam Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram. Hare Krishna.
In nature, we have all of the beautiful things and ugly things. We have duality. But the chant is to get us out of nature and into Krishna's superior universe, which is the spiritual universe. And this is what the chant is really intended to do. It's to take you off into eternity. I started chanting in July. I was still taking LSD at the time, but he was against LSD. He said, I told him, what do you think of my taking LSD for spiritual realization, expanded consciousness? I was interested in staying high forever, as it were, maintaining an awareness of the universe that was flowing through me and past me at every second of my life. He says, that's not necessary. He said, your spiritual life is already here. He says, you don't need to take anything for your spiritual life. And I knew he was right. And he had that exalted state of consciousness. I sensed it. And I knew he didn't take anything. And I knew that I wanted this state of consciousness and that he could teach it to me.
Krishna consciousness is nothing but the moment-to-moment realization that nothing is yours. Neither anything you use in this world, or your body, or even your mind. Krishna is our divine Father, the one Lord. Doesn't make any difference what you call him, Allah, Muhammad, or Buddha, or Jehovah, Christ. There's only one. Krishna is our Father. All things are his, and we have happiness, true happiness, when we use all things for him.
I practice my Krishna consciousness by chanting when I work and on my way to work. And this is what we ask all good people, to try chanting. Try it when you wake up in the morning. Try it on your way to work on the subway. I know I chant every day on the way to work in the subway, and other people are kicking and shoving. I'm chanting, and I enjoy my subway rides.
Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Jai, Ananda Koti Vaishnava Jai. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled.
And now we are going to go uptown to St. Mark's Place to do our kirtan and spread joy and peace to the people of New York. We invite all our friends to join us. Hare Krishna.
Hare Rama.